Today, the Kentucky Supreme Court took up a case that looks to answer this question. Can lawmakers be sued, or are they really protected under what's called legislative immunity? This case goes back to COVID-19 restrictions. Governor Andy Beshear sued Kentucky Senate President Robert Stivers and House Speaker David Osborne after the General Assembly passed legislation limiting his powers. Governor Beshear claimed the legislators overstepped on his executive powers, but Stivers and Osborne argued they have immunity as legislators. So why is this important? Immunity allows the legislative branch to do their job without the other two branches interfering. It also means someone like you in the public can't sue a legislator just because you don't like a particular law. But it's not a get out of jail free card. So now the Supreme Court has to decide just how far that immunity goes.
It was adopted precisely to protect members of the legislature from someone trying to open a second front in front of the judiciary into the legislative process. And this happened in this case.
The attorneys representing Stiver and Osborne argued the governor was trying to threaten the legislators with legal action. He also said the General Assembly was well within their rights to pass legislation, but the governor's office disagrees.
This court has held and reiterated that legislative immunity is not an absolute shield for the General Assembly and LRC.
This is a case where both the executive and legislative branches say the other overstepped their powers. Now it's going to be up to the Kentucky Supreme Court to decide if these lawmakers can claim immunity.